Once you're happy with the toolpath, there's no point in simulating it again with each newly created toolpath, as this is a waste of time. With that said, I want to alter the stock so that it's a true representation of the part prior to the new toolpath. To do this, I'll use the stock model toolpath. In the stock model window, I'll enter after contour. In the name field, in the initial stock shape section, I'll select the stock setup. And you'll notice how the initial stock shape changes to the file option. This is because I used an STL file as the initial stock shape. I'll select the source operations next. Then select the contour toolpath as the source operation to compute the stock model from, and I'll accept these selections. I can now see what the stock model will look like for simulation. Since this is a toolpath, it can be hidden or shown. Notice how the symbol for this toolpath is not a folder, but that of a primitive solid, and that it's white. This is how you will know it will not send any information to the CNC machine. The last thing I'll need to do is tell Mastercam that this is a new stock for future simulations. To do this, I'll select the backplot verify options. Then in the stock section, I'll select stock model. Since this is the only stock model, there are no other options in the drop-down menu. Now I can accept this selection and continue creating toolpaths.